Get ready, because next week OnePlus is about to shake up the smartphone game again with not one, but two exciting new additions to the Ace 5 family. We're talking about the Ace 5 Racing and the Ace 5 Ultra, joining the already popular Ace 5 and Ace 5 Pro. In today's video, we're diving deep into the leaked live images and all the juicy specs that have just surfaced. So stick around because there's a lot to unpack, and trust me, you don't want to miss the surprise reveal at the end. Right off the bat, you can see the Ultra sitting confidently on the left, packing the powerful Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset, while the racing model on the right sports the recently unveiled Dimensity 9400E. Both promise smooth 120Hz refresh rate screens, but here's where it gets interesting. The Racing comes with a sharp 1080p resolution, and the Ultra steps it up to a crisp 1.5K display. Visuals on both look stunning, with LTPS OLED panels ready to impress. Now, let's zoom into the details. The Ace 5 Racing features a 6.77-inch display, a solid 50-megapixel main camera, a 16-megapixel selfie shooter, and a massive 7,000-pound mAh battery that supports fast 80-bar wired charging. Meanwhile, the Ace 5 Ultra goes even bigger with a 6.83-inch flat screen, up to a whopping 16 GB of RAM, and a staggering 1 TB of ultra-fast UFS 4.0 storage. Its 7,000-pound mAh battery supports a blazing fast 100-bar wired charge, meaning less downtime and more action. Keep your eyes glued here because the smoothness of these displays combined with their power specs could make the Ace 5 Ultra a serious contender in the flagship space. Imagine that buttery 120Hz screen paired with lightning-fast storage and a massive battery. Gaming, streaming, and multitasking just got a whole lot better. Before we wrap up, here's a quick challenge. Pause the video and drop a comment below. Which model are you most excited about and why? Are you Team Racing with that aggressive fast charging or Team Ultra with the premium specs? I want to hear your thoughts. And here comes the surprise. Towards the end, we'll reveal a special leaked detail about OnePlus's charging technology that could change how fast your phone powers up forever. So keep watching till the last second. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more leaks and tech reveals, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Your next favorite phone might just be one of these Ace 5 newcomers. Now, quick question for you. How important is ultra-fast charging to your daily phone use? Let me know below, and I'll catch you in the next video.